Hello everyone, I welcome you all to our channel Let's Learn Automation. And in a previous session we have seen the static method, even the non-static method, and now in this session we are going to see both the method in the same class. So for that I will create a new class and will name it like program 3. So here I will create first public static void, and s1 is the name of the method, and this will print like this is static method without parameter. This is static method without parameter. Second, another method with parameter. So public static void s2, and here I will use string value. Then here I will print the value. This is what the static method with parameter. Then let's see the static method with return type. So public static, then string and s3, and this will return this. So this is the third static method, like static method with return type. And now let's use the non-static method. So public void s4, it will display the message like this is non-static method without parameter. So here I can pass like this is s1, then this is s3, and this is s4. Now let's create the non-static method with parameter. So public void s5 string value again, and here it will print the value. And the last one method like s6. So public void, so here string will use the return method, string s6, and return this is non-static method with return type, and the method name is s6. Okay, so these are the all the method we have. So this is what the static method without parameter, static method with parameter, static method with return type but no parameter, then non-static method, then without parameter, non-static method with parameter, and non-static method with return type. So these are the six methods, three static and three non-static. Now I will create another program or class, and I will not use the main over here. So I will use another class, and now I will call all those method here in a main method. So first of all we have the static method, then the static method can be directly called in the main method, but as this main method is another class, so we need to use the class name of class. So I will use class name dot s1. So here you can see that whenever I am using the class name dot, then I am getting the all the method like s1, s2 and s3. So I can choose anyone. Then s1, then again dot s2. So here I need to pass the string value. So I can pass the string value like but with parameter, and the name of the method is s2. Then after this I will call again program 3 dot s3. So this is what the static method, like calling of static methods, and here calling of non-static method. So now here I can use, so as now I need to call the non-static method. So for a non-static method we need to create the object, but the object of not this class. Okay, but the object of not this class, but where the method available. So I need to create the object of this class because methods are available over here. So I will copy or create the object of this class. So like new, this is the object, and it needs to be stored into some reference variable. So x is a reference variable, and that reference variable need data type too. So like this, then x dot s4, sorry, x dot s4, then x dot s5. So here I can pass this value. So this is non-static method with parameter, and the name of the method is 5 s5, and x dot s6. So in this way I try to call all the method that are static and non-static. Now if I need to execute, then I need to execute this particular class, not the where the method are available. So I will right click over here and will run it as a Java application. Then I am getting the output. So here we can see that we try to execute the 6 method, but we got the output of only 4 method because s1, s2, s3 is the return method. So this needs to be passed into system.out.println like this, and also this needs to be passed here. Now let's run it again. So now we are getting the all the output, or we can also format it using some separator. Now let's run it again. Okay, so in this way we have used the static as well as non-static method in the same program, but the all the methods are available in a different class, and our main method, that is the calling method, is available in a different class. So we have seen the static and non-static method. Like static method need to call with the class name, and non-static method needs to call with the object name. But the question maybe arises that which method is good or which method we need to use it. So as we are learning Java, and Java is a object oriented language, so we should use the non-static method because Java is an object-oriented language, and if we use the non-static method, then only we can call the method by using the object. So that's why we should follow the non follow or use the non-static method. And even in our program or in our next sessions, we mostly focus on the non-static method, which needs the object for calling. So these are the types of method we have in Java. Thank you.